Hi, I'm Jason. I'm one of the co-founders here at Eko, and today I'm going to take you through how to get started with your new Eko DUO. The DUO is the first combined digital stethoscope and one-lead ECG that fits in the palm of your hand, can be used by clinicians in the clinic or prescribed to patients at home, and pairs wirelessly with a compatible mobile application. The Eko DUO on the backside has a digital stethoscope diaphragm and two electrodes that make up the one-lead ECG. On the front side is a single control button that, when pressed down, will turn on the stethoscope and illuminate a ring of LED indicator lights. To change the volume, simply switch the volume toggle on the right side of the DUO up or down, and the associated volume level will be displayed via the LED lights. The DUO comes with 4 preset stethoscope audio filters. To switch between these filters, simply tap the center button 3 times quickly, and you'll notice the LED light change from the 12 o'clock, 3, 6, 9, and 12 o'clock positions. Each of these positions corresponds with an associated filter. In the DUO Quick Start Guide, you'll find a graphic that will remind you the associated filter for each one of these positions. The 12 o'clock is the diaphragm, which is the default mode. The 3 o'clock is the bell mode. The 6 o'clock is the mid-range. And the 9 o'clock is the extended mode. But again, refer to your Quick Start Guide to remind you of each one of these positions and the associated filters. The DUO comes with a few accessories to help you get the most out of your new device. It includes an induction charging cradle, which allows you to charge the DUO by simply placing it on top of the cradle. It includes a quick start guide, which will walk you through some of the key steps in setting up and getting started with your product, along with some information on our LED light indicators and preset stethoscope filters. You'll also find information on where to download our more in-depth user manual and compatible mobile app. The DUO comes with a compatible earpiece designed to honor that traditional stethoscope form factor, create a firm connection with the DUO, and provide best-in-class audio quality. To connect the earpiece to the stethoscope, simply thread in the 3.5mm end into the bottom of the DUO. Once you've created a firm attachment, you can confidently place the stethoscope around your neck. Now that your DUO is fully assembled, make sure to check out our next video, which will walk you through how to use your DUO with our compatible mobile application.